This video will show you how to use the snipping tool on your computer. The first thing you want to do is come down here to this search box and begin to type in snipping tool. As soon as you start to spell it, you see that it comes up. You want to click on open. When you open the snipping tool, you'll see that it'll open in different places on your computer, but this is what it looks like. So what I want to do is I want to get a screenshot of the song maker that I made in Seesaw. So in order to get a snip of this, I'm going to click on New, and then you see that the entire screen goes gray. In order to get the snip of the picture that I want to put onto the Seesaw, I click and drag after I press New, and then I click and drag over the part that I want to snip. When I let go of my cursor on my mouse, it comes up as a screenshot of part of my screen. Now I need to save this to be able to put it into the Seesaw activity. So up here in the top left-hand corner, I'm going to click on File. Then I'll click Save As. I'm going to save it on my desktop as Song Maker. And then I'm going to hit Save. Now, to be able to put this into the Seesaw assignment, I click on the Seesaw and I come over to where the board is. And I want to insert this picture into the workspace. So I click on the camera. I click on Upload. I'm looking for the file that I saved on my desktop called Songmaker. And there it is. I click on the file and I click Open. And you see that it has pasted my song maker onto the Seesaw. Now I can label stuff. I can also use the microphone to narrate over what I created, and then I'll hit the green check to save it. And that is how you use the snipping tool.